The year is ending and everyone is reviewing their life. But guess what? AWS does its own review too for your infrastructure provision in the cloud. And the funny thing? AWS even made a tool for it. No crying, no reflection journals, just facts. At the end of every year, businesses review performance. We also do it personally. What did I do well? Where did I mess up? But AWS said, let's make this easier. So they built Trusted Advisor, the cloud version of a yearly review, minus the emotional damage. Trusted Advisor checks your AWS setup and tells you the truth about your cloud. What's wasting money? What's risky? What's underperforming? What needs attention ASAP? Kind of like a friend who says, hey, your bill is too high. Fix it. But in a calm AWS-style way. Now, let's be real, not everyone gets full access. What you see depends on your AWS support plan. But here's the part most people don't know. You don't have to wait till December to review your cloud. You can run Trusted Advisor anytime. Daily, weekly, monthly, whatever works for you. The same way you think about your day and say, I need to fix this tomorrow. Trusted Advisor does that for your AWS environment. Quietly, consistently, and without stress. If you want AWS tips explained in simple, human English, no jargon, no stress, just gist. Hit subscribe, like, and share.